Buying a budget phone used to feel like signing up for stress. You know, the kind that starts lagging once you open Instagram, glitch here and freeze there. You start to manage your expectations, like at least you can make phone calls, right? But the Spark 40 Pro Plus offers premium features on a budget. For under 275,000 naira, you're getting a vibrant 1.5K AMOLED display with a smooth 144Hz adaptive refresh rate, wireless charging, 50 megapixel camera, stereo speaker, and a design that looks way more premium than the price tag. Sounds like a cab, right? Maybe let's find out if it's just flexing on paper or if it is built for real life hustle. Let's start with the design. Right out of the box, this phone feels clean, sharp, and surprisingly premium. It is lightweight and comfortable to carry in the hand. It is not overwhelming. Even better, TECNO claims that this phone has up to 2 meters of drop resistance. Good luck trying that out. Now, it has IP64 dust and water resistance, and it's something you don't normally find in this price range. Audio is another area where this phone stands out. Yes, it has a stereo speaker. Sound comes out clear, balanced, and surprisingly loud for a budget device. Whether you're watching a movie or editing videos with sound, the dual speaker setup makes the real difference. Mic quality is also solid. Both the face and the optical fingerprint scanner works accurately most of the time. For someone like me who shoots content and edits on the go, the display is a blessing. It features a 6.78-inch screen with a 1.5K resolution, providing a sharper and more detailed image than standard 1080p. I'm a big fan of the curved display. It just makes the phone feel more premium in the hand. And a blazing 144Hz adaptive refresh rate. This AMOLED panel gives you sharp visuals and smooth scrolling. It honestly look and feel like something you'd find on a much more expensive device. Colors are vibrant, the black are deep, and the high refresh rate makes everything feel buttery. And the brightness on this device pushes up to 4500 nits of peak brightness. I'm not even joking. It's like having a flashlight in your hand. Even under direct sunlight, you're seeing everything, no more struggling to check your messages outside. This display shows up and shows off. Now let's talk about how slim and light this device is. It's just 6.49mm, one of the slimmest phones in this range. You can put it in your pocket and still look for it. That's how sleek it is. And it's also one of the lightest phones at this price point, which makes it super comfortable to hold for long hours while creating content or watching movies without feeling any heft. The Spark 40 Pro Plus is powered by the MediaTek Helio G200 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM that can further be expanded through memfusion to another 8GB, making it 16GB for multitasking. You also get a massive 256GB of internal storage, meaning you can save all your files, video, and apps without constantly deleting stuff. App switching is smooth, multitasking is responsive, and even casual gaming feels great. Whether you're editing, watching TikTok, or browsing with multiple tabs, this device doesn't feel slow. I played Call of Duty at medium graphics and high frame rates. The gameplay was enjoyable, though it was a bit difficult because of this device's slim profile. Other than that, this phone is fine. The Spark 40 Pro Plus runs on Android 15 layered with TECNO's iOS 15.1.1. And here's the fun part, you don't have to pay for premium AI features anymore. This phone packs some serious AI tools right out of the box. I'm talking about Ella Voice. If you love smart shortcut, you will love AI notes and circle to search. Just draw anything around the screen and get instant results. For students, this is a big win. Whether you're researching, translating, organizing notes, or even summarizing long documents, this software comes in handy. Before we continue, let's talk about the camera. TECNO did something with this one. On the rear, you've got a 50 megapixel main camera. Now take a look at these photos I took. Daylight shots are clean and the color pops nicely, and portrait mode is not bad at all, but it struggles with low lights. Take a look at these pictures and tell me what you think about them in the comment section below. Take a look at this shot I took with the 30 megapixel selfie camera. Skin tones look realistic, the exposure is on point, and the best part, it doesn't overly smoothen your face like some filters do. You still look like you, just with better lighting. Tell me what you think about them in the comment section below. For the battery, you're working with a 5200 mAh battery, more than enough to last for a full day. Even with heavy use, I was getting well over 7 hours on screen time. But here's where it gets interesting. It supports 45 watts fast charging, 30 watts wireless charging, and 5 watts reverse wireless charging. That's something you rarely even find in this price range. And TECNO claims that the 45 minutes of charge on this device can take you a whole day. I'm yet to put that to the test, but for the price, it is impressive. This brings us to the question, who is this phone really meant for? Content creators who want a portable, sharp and vibrant display, people who edit videos and scroll a lot. The high refresh rate makes everything fluid. Fans of sleek and lightweight phones with a premium feel. Anyone who uses their phone outdoor a lot. That 4500 nits of peak brightness really delivers. People who want a curved screen experience without breaking the bank. Who is this phone not meant for? Hardcore gamers expecting Snapdragon level performance and heavy cooling. People who rely on 3.5mm headphone jack. You will need to use a Type-C or wireless. Those who want a bulky, rugged feel, this phone is more slim and elegant than tough and chunky. Folks looking for extreme zoom photography. The camera here is great, but it's not flagship level zoom machine. Absolutely, the Spark 40 Pro Plus is one of those phones that make you double check the price. If you're a student, content creator, or just someone who wants a premium feature without spending a lot, this is one of the best options out there right now. It's not perfect, but it punches way above its weight. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you're choosing between this and the Camon series, or if you're going for a Redmi. Drop a question below so I help you decide. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you want more honest reviews like this, stay tuned because I'll be testing this phone gaming performance in the next video. For you not to miss out, ring the bell so you get notified when we drop new videos like this. You're welcome.